What's up, guys? It's Camp Cut. So this video I want to talk about how my trading going for 2025. And I'm just going to be super transparent. So as far as scalping and day trading, that haven't been working well for me at all. Like, I've been taking some big losses on trying to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. Swing trading, not bad, but not as consistent as I wish. I'm probably like at a 50% success level, which is not good enough. But what I want to talk about is this. Most of my trades this year that have been a success was pretty much cover calls, cash carry puts, the poor man cover call, and credit spreads. Put credit spreads to be exact. For a lot of people that follow me, gosh, Target been the play of the year. If you look at the Target charts 3 months ago, Target had earnings and they missed earnings. It went from like 154 all the way to 121. And from there, 121 was the floor. They just stayed above 121 for like the last 3 months. So if you're doing like credit spreads on Target from the start, you've been making crazy income. Not necessarily crazy like a lot of money, be making consistent income week after week after week. And the crazy part about it is this. I'm so confident in Target, even though they got earnings coming up soon. So when earnings come, I'm definitely not going to be dealing with Target, but it's just been amazing. And just go to the charts. I can show y'all a good example of what I mean. Okay, this is how Target looking right now. My last credit spread, I needed Target to stay above 127. Strictly above 127. That was the goal. But look at the last 3 months. Look at Target. Target had earnings on December 18th, and it dropped all the way down to 121.72. And as you see, it just consolidated. It tried to build ground, came back down. It tried to hold. It just can't hold, you know? So if you did credit spreads on Target for like the last 3 months, you have made some killer income. For example, just a put credit spread for next week. So just say we do something with a 74% chance of profit. So I'm going to sell the 126. I'm going to get $88. Then I'm going to buy the 125. Now check this out. $74 to make 26. Listen, if you have $740, you can easily make $260 a week. Every single week. It's over $1,000 a month. Over $1,000 a month. On a $740 position. And just think if you did that for like over the last 3 months. That would have been some nice passive income, you know? And what I like doing is this. Say, for example, right, if I go only for $370 max loss, I would do that credit spread, right, that 130. And guess what? 370 plus 130, what's that, 500? What I do next is I buy another contract using that profit and get in one more contracts. So 370 plus 130 is 500. So I want to buy a contract. Let's see, do 7 contracts. Boom, 518. Now I'm making 182. So check this out. 518 plus 182, that'd be $700. Next you know, I will buy more contracts. Look, 10 contracts, $740 to make 260. I'll put that 260 back in there. That'd be $900. Next you know, I can afford, I don't know, what's that, 12 contracts? 312. And you just keep on parlaying it. 888 plus 312, that'd be 1100, and I just keep on buying contracts. Let's see, 17 contracts, 16 contracts, boom, 1182. What you do, just keep on. We say I start this consolidator, you just keep on pressing. 1184 plus 416 be 1500. Okay, how many contracts I buy? $1,500. Let's try 20. Boom, $520. What's 1480 plus 520? That'd be $2,000. Okay, maybe I could buy 30 contracts. See, 29 contracts. See, 32 contracts. See, 36 contracts. 39 contracts. So it'd be 40 contracts. So you can see how you keep on, you could catapult your account with these passive income plays. What's 2960 plus 140? That'd be $3,100. How many contracts can I buy with that? So this what I'm trying to tell you guys. It's easy. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but you can definitely make some good passive income with credit spreads, especially with a stock that you know how they work, you know the support resistance, you know when they have earnings. It's a good play. The thing that people tend to get messed up with credit spreads is this. People think, oh, all thing I need to do is this stock to stay above this price, and that's it. And even though it's a lot of truth to that, but you still want to have risk management. You still want to have a stop loss. You still want to have a I'm wrong thesis and everything. You know. So again, we get in a trade. How much I'm willing to invest in this play. Second question I always tell people again, how much I'm willing to lose. Once you see a credit spread going against you, you got to get out. You got to get out. You got to roll it out. You got to roll up, roll out, whatever you got to do. But you don't want to stay in a losing trade. Even though a stock can switch over and go the other direction any day, but you got to be mindful that you got to have risk management. And the crazy thing about credit spread is this. The risk to reward is not that great because you're investing $1,000 to make $300 or $600 to make $200. Like, the risk reward is not great at all. So you got to have risk management. You got to be able to be like, I'm wrong. I don't want to risk no more than what I can afford to lose. Because if you lose, you know what you're going to do. You're going to want to revenge trade. You're going to want to figure out how can I get that money back quickly. So the best thing to do is when you're in a trade and it's going against you, depending on how much time you got in your contract, just let it go. Just let it go. Just roll it out. When I say roll it out, it means like get out the trade and redo the entry. Redo an entry that's give you more time and more wiggle. Another good strategy that I've been using that's been very, very, very successful is doing leap options. Leap options have been very successful. The good thing about leap options is this. All you got to do is find a good stock that's under pressure. A good stock is under pressure. Example, Target is one. SoFi was one. NVIDIA was one. NVIDIA had that news came out. NVIDIA went from freaking like 140 all the way down to like to 114. And look at it now. It's back to 134, 135, 138. So all you do, find a stock that got good technicals, but it's being beat up. Something that's just hitting the 200-day moving average and just get in. You got to remember, winners always win. Winners always win. These CEOs always win. If I seen Tesla just drop off of bad earnings or just fell off the cliff, I'm buying it. Because I believe in the CEO. I believe in their thesis. I believe in what they believe is what the best way to run their business. So leap options is another one that you definitely should consider. Poor man covered call. Again, poor man covered call is a leap option with selling covered calls on your position. And listen, the good thing about leap option is this, is you can make money off the leap and you can make rental income. The negative part about the leap option is this, what if the stock run through your expiration? Then you got to roll it. You know what I mean? Only thing about the poor man cover call is you cap your gains. Like say, for example, if I got in NVIDIA and I can make like $10,000 in like 6 months. But if I do a leap option, I might cap it out only at $3,000, but making rental income in the process. You know what I mean? So it's like, it worked to it don't work. You know what I mean? I'm a big fan of poor man cover calls. It's good for people that got small accounts. And even though my account is a little big, not much bigger, but I don't consider a small account, but I can still do them trades and still be profitable and make small incremental income each and every week. But when it comes to like swing trading and day trading, like I said, I'm really struggling. And the reason why I'm struggling because when I'm losing day trades, I get compulsive. And it's like somebody punching your face. Like, what you want to do? You want to punch them back in the face. And that's exactly how I get emotionally hijacked. So I know that's my weakness, so I need to stay away from what trigger my weaknesses, what trigger my habits, what trigger me to get compulsive, you know? So I found out that day trade, swing trade, scalping is probably not the best thing for me to do. But for me to slowly grow my account with credit spreads, poor man cover calls, leap options, debit spreads, I feel like that'd be the best option for me, even doing iron condors at the time. But that's all I want to talk about. Again, credit spread is by far the best strategy to use for small accounts. I don't care if you got $75 in your account. You can make $23, $24. You can make literally 30% on your money in 5 to 7 days. So that's all I got for you guys is Camp Cut, and I'm out.